Over the last few months, I've noticed a lot of people talking about blogging again. Yes, making money online with blogging is still profitable and powerful, and a lot of people are just now getting back into it. In this video, I want to list 11 ways that you can make money with your blog, from less profitable, so pennies a day, to the most profitable, making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars per day. So in this video, as I mentioned, 11 ways that you can make money with your blog. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from stand mixers to sound bars, web hosting, microwaves, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free 4-step guide to make money online with products you already have. So as I mentioned in this video, I want to take a look at 11 different ways that you can make money, and we're just going to use my blog as an example. For example, if you take a look at the screen here, we have alstongodbolt.com. This is a blog that teaches people how to make money with affiliate marketing, and there are 11 different ways that I could make money. So let's go ahead and talk about the least profitable. The least profitable is with Google Ads or Google AdSense. As you can see at the bottom of the screen here, I have a Google AdSense account, and if someone were to click on this ad, I can earn commission. Now, with Google Ads, you're simply going to make pennies on the dollar. You're not going to make a whole lot in the beginning, and you're going to need millions of monthly visitors to make money with Google AdSense. It's actually really easy to set up. You would just go over to a website called google.com/AdSense and sign up. Now, the reason why people like it is you can get started with 0 viewers. You can put up a couple blog posts and then sign up for Google AdSense and then run ads automatically and start making money. But again, you're going to make pennies on the dollar. The second way that you can make money, and I think it's the second best way to make money, is with Teespring or having a merch store. Now, of course, this is going to depend on your niche, but for me, for example, if I wanted to have a Teespring and sell merchandise, I would have to sell merchandise with my name and maybe a saying that I make up, like unemployee or something along those lines. Now that, depending on the type of blog that you have, isn't going to be very profitable. Now it can be profitable depending on the niche, but for the most of us, it's not going to. If it's a self blog like this, a personal blog, that's probably not going to work, but you could make it work. With Teespring, you're simply going to come up with merch ideas, create a merch store, and then you would link out to it. This usually works a little bit better with a personal brand. This works better with a YouTube channel, but you could do it. You could do it with a blog as well. But number 2 is simply with merch. Number 3 is actually having different type of advertising. So I could, instead of working with a company like Google AdSense, I could work with people that are interested in advertising directly on my blog. So if I wanted to, I could have a display ad right up here in my banner, and you can use a website like Buy Sell Ads to connect with people that will pay you to place ads on your website. And people often use this when companies or individuals don't know how to monetize their blog effectively. For example, if I had a blog about fishing, I could find people that want to place display ads or text ads on my blog about fishing. And the way that this works is you'll buy advertising based on the month or impressions, and you can make money this way. Now, if you aren't making that much money from your blog through the other methods that I mentioned, this is a good way to start getting some income. This is actually a win-win for both parties. Usually it's individuals working with individuals instead of a major brand like Google AdSense taking advantage of you. This is more of a win-win. And again, this really depends on the number of impressions that you get per month, the number of page views, and actually the quality of traffic. Not all traffic is created the same. For example, if I had a blog about betta fish, I want to make sure that I'm getting people that are interested in betta fish and that are in countries that are willing to spend money on betta fish. Now, it won't help either party if I find, if my traffic is coming from underdeveloped countries that aren't going to spend money to buy stuff for their betta fish. But this can work out really well. A company like Buy Sell Ads will actually work out well for both parties. Another way that you can make money, which is kind of like Google AdSense but will pay you a little bit more, is using a premium ad network like Ezoic. Now, Ezoic recently opened up their doors, and they'll work with more content creators, and they will actually pay you a little bit more, and they'll actually help you set it up. If you take the time to go through, they'll help you optimize where you can place your your ads, and you can make even more money. They're going to pay you more CPM, a higher CPM than Google AdSense. So it's definitely worth it. You're not going to make a ton of money up front, but it's still going to be more than Google AdSense. So definitely take a look at premium ad networks. If you just search premium ad networks, there are a ton of them that pop up. Ezoic was the one that I was using for a while, and I really liked it. And you can actually manually place where your ads show up. So instead, with Google AdSense, they kind of just take care of it for you. With Ezoic and the premium ad networks, they'll give you a suggestion as to where to place it and can actually help you make more money. After that, we have selling physical products. Now, if I had a book that I wanted to sell, for example, if this business blueprint was a physical book, I can sell it right from my blog. Now, one thing that you want to remember when you're selling stuff is that you want to make sure that you are selling stuff that is congruent with your target audience. As you can see here with this ebook, it is a 10-day process to help you start making money creating and selling online courses, which is going to be relevant to a segment of the population. So make sure that it is important that when you come up with these different ideas, that they're actually congruent with what your target audience is interested in. Now, you can sell physical products on anything from jewelry. If they are interested in starting a YouTube channel, you can, sell physical products that way, as long as it makes sense, as long as it's congruent. After selling physical products, you can also sell digital products or software as a service. Now, for example, one thing that I used to sell was web hosting, and I used to be a web hosting reseller for Name Hero. So what I did was I actually bought web hosting through Name Hero. I white labeled it, and I sold it using my blog. The blog was called Web Hosting Rewind. I had a partner of mine write blog posts, and the ultimate goal was to get people to buy web hosting through us. We would make more money, obviously, in a few different ways. But if you have a software, if you have a digital product that you can sell it right through your blog. For example, if I had a course, or if I had a checklist or an ebook that I wanted to sell, I can make substantially more money selling it right through my blog. Once again, as long as it's congruent with the target audience. And the cool thing with a digital product is you can sell it for anywhere between 99 cents and $3,000, depending on the outcome of the digital product. What problem will the digital product solve? If it's a small problem, you'll charge a little amount. If it's a large problem, you can charge a high amount. And I really like it because you can kind of control your revenue. The next way that you can make money is actually with affiliate marketing. As you can see here, Amazon's the largest affiliate program in the world. And I think it's the one that most people are familiar with, but there are thousands of other affiliate programs that people are willing to work with you, and you can make money. You can make money promoting everything from beta fish to sunflower seeds, stuff on Amazon. There's just lots of opportunity. You can find affiliate programs in your niche by just typing in your niche. For example, we'll type in beta fish. I don't know why I'm on beta fish today, but we could do like beta fish affiliate program, and then take a look at all of the affiliate programs for beta fish. You can see here 10 awesome aquarium affiliate programs to bring in commissions, and so on. This will give us an idea of the affiliate programs out there, how much they're willing to pay you as an affiliate, and you can make money. In addition to affiliate marketing, you can actually make money with being a one-on-one coach. So if you offer, let's say, you teach people how to grow a coaching business like this, you could actually start a blog and monetize it with a coaching service. Now, this could be one-on-one coaching, which you can charge a premium for. One-on-one coaching can go like $50,000. Group coaching is going to be a little bit less expensive, but you can still make even more money because you're going to get more people in that group. There's just tons of opportunity when it comes to this coaching, and you simply will just write towards the problems and the solutions, and then you can get people on the mailing list. I really like email marketing. That's probably the 11th and the best way, because you can combine all of these other ways into email marketing and make even more money. So again, I really like email marketing because it gives you the opportunity to bring people back to your blog. If you're monetizing with ads, you can sell them digital products or physical products, or if you come up with a service that you know will help them, you can make even more money just simply with email marketing. You send out an email and you could easily make $1,000 on just sending out one email. So if we wanted to recap real quick, here are the 11 ways from least to most profitable. Number 1, Google Ads. Number 2, merchandise. Number 3, private display ads. Number 4, other ad networks. Number 5, physical products. Number 6, selling a service. Number 7, affiliate marketing. Number 8, selling digital products. Number 9, coaching. Number 10, online courses. And number 11, email marketing. Now that you know those 11 ways, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with things that you already have. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.